Breathe better and sleep deeper with the Levoit Classic 160 Top Fill Humidifier. Don't wait. Check out the link in the video description to get your Levoit Top Fill Humidifier on Amazon today and enjoy a healthier, more comfortable home.
So, you want to know if Warren Buffett-led Berkshire Hathaway should buy Bitcoin right now? Well, let's dive in and explore some interesting arguments for and against it. Warren Buffett is one of the most watched investors on the planet. His track record allocating capital as the longtime CEO of Berkshire Hathaway speaks for itself, with shares of the conglomerate up a jaw-dropping 52,720% in the past 4 decades. The Oracle of Omaha is second to none when it comes to analyzing certain industries, businesses, and stocks. Perhaps it's time for the investing legend to consider taking a closer look at a new type of asset. It might sound bananas, but I think Warren Buffett-led Berkshire Hathaway would be smart to buy Bitcoin right now. Buffett has historically shied away from putting money into technology companies because he has said he didn't understand them. Focusing on things he fully understands means it's no surprise that Buffett hasn't really been a fan of Bitcoin. In 2018, he said the cryptocurrency was probably rat poison squared. However, let's not jump to conclusions just yet. Buffett also said in 2022 that he wouldn't buy all the Bitcoin out there for $25. I'm certain this bearish view stems from the fact that Bitcoin is different from a traditional business that makes products and services to sell to customers, generating revenue and cash flow. But what if Berkshire Hathaway had more cash than it knows what to do with? As of September 30, the conglomerate had $325 billion in cash equivalents, and short-term investments on its balance sheet. That figure is almost double from the end of 2023. Due to sizable share sales in its public equities portfolio throughout 2024, the massive amount of cash Berkshire has held for quite some time has been a hot topic of discussion among investors, wondering what Buffett could possibly buy with it. And here's where Bitcoin comes into play. As of January 27th, Bitcoin had a market cap of $2 trillion. Berkshire could invest just 5% of its cash balance, about $16 billion, in the top digital asset over multiple transactions over a year. That relatively small allocation would also help Berkshire manage risk, and it would leave plenty of capital for the business to continue waiting patiently for the opportunity to buy large amounts of stock or complete a major acquisition. I mean, can you imagine having that kind of firepower? The potential to outpace inflation and produce adequate returns, at least better than holding cash or treasuries, is another reason why Berkshire should consider buying Bitcoin. Bitcoin could be value accretive for Berkshire, as it has been for other companies that have adopted this strategy, most notably MicroStrategy. If Berkshire had purchased $5 billion of Bitcoin when MicroStrategy did, on August 11, 2020, that position would be worth over $44 billion right now. Despite the volatility, shareholders couldn't complain with that kind of outcome. So, should Warren Buffett-led Berkshire Hathaway buy Bitcoin right now? I think it's definitely worth considering. If he took a long and hard look at it, he'd probably find the digital asset at least interesting, if not a compelling investment opportunity. This would signal a vote of confidence for the Bitcoin community, which could be a game changer. After all, as the saying goes, betting against the crowd is often the best strategy. Who knows? Maybe we'll see Warren Buffett leading Berkshire Hathaway into the world of cryptocurrency soon enough.